Hey, they're all beloved viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports Channel's video. Has plenty of suggested comments in our previous videos to share the health benefits of jackfruit. Well, what are the best health benefits of jackfruit? While jackfruit first appeared in the rainforests of India, farmers now grow it in many parts of the world, including Cambodia, Australia, Africa, Brazil, and the Philippines. Only in recent years has jackfruit started to become well known in the US. The rind of a jackfruit is green or yellow and spiked. Although it gives off a smell of rotting onions when it's ripe and ready to eat, the pulp inside smells and tastes far better. Like a cross between pineapple and bananas. You can eat the seeds, too. And a jackfruit has plenty of them, up to 500. Each can reach 1.5 inches in length. There are two main types of jackfruit. One is small and mushy. It tastes sweet, but it's slimy. The other type of jackfruit has crisp, crunchy flesh that's not as sweet. In today's video, we will talk about the health benefits of jackfruit. Number 1. Nutrients serving. Jackfruit has an impressive nutrition profile. 1 cup of sliced fruit provides the following nutrients. Calories, 155. Carbs, 40 grams. Fiber, 3 grams. Protein, 3 grams. Vitamin A, 10% of the recommended daily INTAKERDI. Vitamin C, 18% of the recommended daily intake. Riboflavin, 11% of the recommended daily intake. Magnesium, 15% of the recommended daily intake. Potassium, 14% of the recommended daily intake. Copper, 15% of the recommended daily intake. Manganese, 16% of the recommended daily intake. What makes jackfruit unique from other fruits is its protein content. It provides more than 3 grams of protein per cup, compared to 0 to 1 gram in other similar types of fruit, such as apples and mangoes. Jackfruit is also rich in several types of antioxidants, which are likely responsible for the majority of its health benefits. Number 2. Vitamins. Jackfruit may be higher in some vitamins and minerals than apples, apricots, bananas, and avocados. For example, it's rich in vitamin C, and one of the few fruits that's high in B vitamins. Jackfruit also contains folate, niacin, riboflavin, potassium, and magnesium. Number 3. Antioxidants. Carotenoids, the pigments that give jackfruit its yellow color, are high in vitamin A. Like all antioxidants, carotenoids protect cells from damage and help your body work right. They may help prevent diseases like cancer and heart disease, as well as eye problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. As a jackfruit ripens, its carotenoid levels may go up. Jackfruit also contains many other antioxidants that can help delay or prevent cell damage in your body. While the inside flesh is high in these disease-fighting compounds, the seeds may contain even more. Number 4. Health benefits. The nutrients in jackfruit may help lower your risk for some health issues, including 1. Constipation. Jackfruit is a good source of fiber, so it could help you feel fuller for longer and help keep your bowel movements regular. 2. Ulcers. The natural chemicals in jackfruit may help prevent these sores from forming inside your stomach. 3. Diabetes. Your body digests and absorbs jackfruit more slowly than some other foods. That means your blood sugar won't rise as quickly as it might when you eat other fruits. One study found that jackfruit extract made it easier for people with diabetes to control their blood sugar. 4. High blood pressure. The potassium in this tropical fruit could help lower your blood pressure, which can help stave off heart disease, stroke, and bone loss. 5. Skin problems. The high amounts of vitamin C in jackfruit may help protect your skin from sun damage. You need plenty of that nutrient to keep your skin firm and strong. And 6. Cancer. Phytonutrients, like those found in jackfruit, are natural compounds that might have cancer-fighting benefits, such as preventing cancer cells from forming in your body. Number 5. Risks and warnings. While a jackfruit allergy is rare, you're at higher risk if you have a birch pollen allergy. This means that you have an itchy mouth or swollen lips when you eat other foods in this group, such as apples, almonds, carrots, celery, cherries, and hazelnuts. Summary: jackfruit is a good source of vitamin C, potassium, dietary fiber, and other important vitamins and minerals. Also, research suggests that compounds in the flesh, seeds, and other parts of the plant may have the potential to treat or prevent a number of health conditions. Jackfruit is a popular meat substitute. When cooked, the unripe flesh has a texture similar to chicken or pulled pork. Jackfruit is safe and nutritious for most people. However, anyone with an allergy to latex or birch pollen should take caution when eating or handling the fruit. Wow, how awesome benefits of jackfruit! Now you can taste jackfruit and put it into your diet. If you have any concerns, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Always stay tuned and subscribe to join us on the Healthy Lifestyle Supports. Thanks.